Hey there. This tow trucker. Looks like we got some this is a Mannheim. It's a Mannheim car. This guy's selling cars out of his apartment complex. They don't have tags on them. He's selling cars off this property, and they're getting towed. He's even got a dealer tag, and it's expired. Anyway, this guy thinks he can sell cars off this out of this property where he lives at. The managers don't think that's not fair. So we're fixing to load some cars up, man. Anyway, we'll see if anybody shows up. This guy's actually got some decent cars. Except for that piece of crap. This Highlander's pretty nice, man. He got 3 Toyotas. They're pretty nice cars, man. He just needs to get a sales lot where he can sell them off a lot instead of out of his apartment complex. Anyway. Hey there. What's going on, man? We're back over here again. We got a property owner. He called us over here. He wants me to tow some cars out of here. He got some people illegally parking on his property. He reserves the right to have these cars removed off his property. So I'm waiting on him to come over here and tell me which 2 to get. And I'm fixing to get them. Hey there. The buses. How this is gonna come out, man. I got 2 buses right here. Somebody's parking their buses on this property.
We call again because we still have to keep car parking, and you guys don't care.
We do care. They're fixing our fence.
You gotta ask. The thing is, I'm not trying to be mean. This man, he owns his property,
And I do understand.
and he reserves the right to tow. And if you don't park on somebody's property, you gotta ask him. You can't just think you own the property and pull over here. That's the problem. This man owns the property.
You can't just let us move the vans real quick, man?
I'm hooked to it. Somebody got to pay for this one.
You know what? Take them.
Take
Take them. Take them. Take them.
This is not going to get towed. Hey, somebody's got to pay this one out.
Why? Because they're doing construction. We shouldn't be paying for nothing when we're parking over here where they're doing the fence. It makes no sense.
Well, he owns his property.
Okay, we literally move it every night. We move it over there and over there.
How long you been working there for a while?
Yes.
Okay, well.
For 4 years. And then there was no problem 2 years ago.
She said y'all been parking over here on the property for 5 years.
We haven't. We only did it because of the fence right there. But we have our director on the phone. She'd actually probably
Whoa, don't hit my gas tank. Don't hit my tank. You just hit my truck. Stop. Man. Hey, you got it that way. Don't back up anymore. Just, you got it. You got it. You got it that way. Yeah, hey. Hey, you're clear. You're clear.
You got it.
You got it.
Thank you for not towing mine.
Go ahead, man. You got it. You clear. All the way.
Over here.
Well, it looks like this owner or whoever coordinates up here at this La Petite Academy over here. It's this little daycare center school. Don't looks like they're not. I don't think I'm serious about towing it. So I'm getting ready to start finish loading this thing up and get it off the property. They had told me that they were going to pay over the phone and call my boss. Man, he just told me they hadn't paid. So they got about 3 minutes to make the call. And if they don't call in the next 3 minutes, man, I'm done. I've been waiting here for at least over 20 minutes for them to pay it.
That's a safety strap right there. If something comes undone, I got a safety strap on it to keep it from coming off the truck on the road. That's what happens when people get entitled. They have this strong sense of entitlement that they can park wherever they want. It don't work like that. Anyway.